In this video I will tell you that how to install WordPress in cPanel. For installing WordPress in cPanel, here you give some information, means the username and password which are provided by your web hosting organization or a company. First off, go to the cPanel menu, give the information username and the password. I have login in cPanel. Here some menu of cPanel. And here some information about your space. This is the space you have purchased, the bandwidth, subdomain you can make 10 subdomain, email account, etc. For install WordPress, scroll down, click on the WordPress icon. Here is some information about the WordPress version. This is version, the date on which the WordPress software updated. Scroll down and click on install now. Here you give some information. Remove the WordP, select the protocol and your domain, give blog name or site name, give the password, select your language. I select English. Here you will select the theme and click on install. The WordPress installing. Now the software was installed. It means the WordPress has been installed. Now open our website, a new tab, click on your URL, the WordPress has installed successfully, and this is the menu of your site. In next video I will tell you that how to customize your website, change your theme of the website, and many more.